Hi, this is Dr. Kormeili, and I want to talk to you about mole removal. As dermatologists, we remove moles because we're worried about skin cancer. However, sometimes we can remove a mole because you don't like it or it's getting irritating, it's rubbing. Because if the mole is small and not very deep, it's easy to be able to remove it in a very nice and elegant and cosmetic fashion, and I'm going to show you how that can easily be done today.
So here we have a mole that does not like. So what we're going to do is remove it for cosmetic reasons. So the first step after I've cleaned the skin is to put a little anesthesia. It's a tiny little needle, like the same one we use for Botox. The next step is to use a blade and cut it and shave it perfect with the skin, just at the right level to get the mole and not cause too much scarring. You see? Perfect. So now we're going to be able to remove the mole. Perfect skin there without the mole that was bothering her. So that's that.